In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to go from a posterior lunge into a toe push. So for this exercise, I would give this for someone that maybe was a sports goer, someone that did an explosive sport where it involved jumping like basketball or netball, and they're maybe at the beginning stages of rehab or they've had an injury and they want to go back to plyometric exercise, but we're at that very, very niche start point. Alternatively, I do give this to people that struggle with balance or mobility as a starter point of trying to progress calf raises and things like that and to start plyometric exercise. So, to start off, what you're going to do is you're going to point the feet forwards and one leg is going to come back. That's the first stage of the movement. So I've got one knee here, my front leg is bending. I am keeping a soft bend in the back leg, however, it's not a complete bend, okay? So I'm coming into this position. How do I then do the toe push? So as I come back into this position, this leg, I want to keep it nice and stable. However, the power is going to come from my back leg, specifically the ankle, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise up the heel as fast as I can to assist that movement of me going back into my standing position. So again, I come back from this position. What I then want to do very quickly, using that motion, bringing my heels off the floor, but my forefoot and toe is always on the floor when I'm doing that explosive movement back into standing.